How to sign into AliExpress account. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your AliExpress app. Here we go. This kind of page will appear. At the bottom you can find this option of sign in. Tap on it. Now you have to enter your email address and password to sign into AliExpress account, or also you can sign in with Apple ID, Facebook, Google ID, Twitter or VK. Here I'm gonna directly enter my email address and password. After you are done, just tap on sign in. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can just tap on this forget password and recover your password of AliExpress account. As I remember my password, I'm gonna click on sign in. This is very easy and simple process. Here you can see that I have easily signed into my AliExpress account. This is how you sign in for AliExpress account. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.